That was a nice video. And what do you think the video is about? Yes, the video is all about buns. And today, we are going to talk about a boy who really enjoys eating buns. So everybody, listen to our story time. The title of our story for today is Danny's Buns. This is Danny, and these are his buns. One day, Danny's mother baked 8 buns for him and his friends. How many buns? Very good, 8. She divided the buns equally among 4 children. How many children? Yes, 4. And children, please take note of the words divided and equally. The question now is, how many buns would each child get? So everyone, let's talk about it. So this is Danny, and these are his friends. This is Danny. This is Josh. This is Lily. And this is Mark. How many are they? Very good. They are 4. And these are, of course, the buns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, Danny's mother did something so that everybody would get an equal share of buns. And what she did was division. Division is distributing our things equally, especially when we share. And when we do distributing, it means that we're giving away or we're sharing our things. And when we say equally, it means that everybody gets to share or everybody gets to have an equal amount or same number of things. And yes, division is also sharing. And when we share, it is always a good act. So the number sentence for division is like this. 8, which is the dividend, divided by, that's the division symbol, 4. And we call that divisor. And yes, 8 divided by 4 equals, not yet, we are still yet to know, but we call it a quotient. So in our story, the dividend is the number to be divided into equal parts, and it is 8 because we have 8 buns. Next, we have the divisor. It is the desired number of equal parts, meaning the divisor is the number that the dividend will be grouped into. And in our story, it is the number 4. And yes, when we divide 8 divided by 4, we will have the quotient or the result of dividing a number by another. So that will be the number, the answer to our division problem. So this is what Danny's mom did. We have Danny, we have Josh, we have Lily, and we have Mark. She counted first the children. And how many children are there? Very good. 4. And this is what she did with the buns. She made sure that she will give 1 for each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, was she able to give everybody an equal number of buns? Yes, and how many did each one receive? Very good. Each one received 2 buns. So 8, which are the buns, divided by 4, which are the children, equals 2, which is the number of buns each child got. Mother divided the 8 buns into 4 groups, and each group has 2 buns. Now remember, children, when we divide, we distribute our things equally, especially when we share. And the number sentence for division is 8, which is the dividend, divided by 4, which is the divisor, is equals to 2, which is the quotient. And now, let's have some mental exercise. Let's find the quotient. Number 1. 10 bananas will be shared by 5 friends. How many bananas will each child get? So 10 bananas divided by 5 children. You may pause while answering. The answer is 2 bananas for each child. Next, number 2. 9 broccolis in the stall were sold to 3 ladies. How many broccolis did each lady get? 9 broccolis divided by 3 ladies equals 3 broccolis for each lady. And number 3, 8 mangoes were given to 2 behaved grade 1 pupils like you as reward. How many mangoes did each child receive? 8 mangoes divided by 2 children equals 4 mangoes for each pupil. And now, let's practice more in our Genyo.